Третий класс. Английский язык. Звездный английский. Домашнее задание. В магазине игрушек. Часть первая. Страница 54, 55, 56, 57. English. Starlight 3. At the toy shop. Homework. Part number 1. Page number 54, 55, 56, 57. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look wonderful today. So do you? You look wonderful today. So do you? That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. That's a nice color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm glad you like it. That's a wonderful color on you. Thanks a lot. I'm very glad you like it. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 54, 54. Exercise number 1. Read the words, sentences first to yourself, then aloud. Прочтите слова предложения сначала про себя, а затем вслух. О. Dog. Box. Job. Long. Orange. Put that dog. Put that dog into the box. Put that dog into the orange box. Put that dog into the orange box, Molly. Said, dead, rap, band, land, and, man, have, happy, Jack. Jack and Jill are sad. They haven't got any water. Let's get some water, Jill, says Jack. So Jack and Jill go up a hill. They have got some water now. Jack and Jill are very happy. Ruler, rubber, brother, sister, singer, teacher, sharpener, blazer, cleaner. Where's your ruler? The teacher says, Peter. Where's your rubber? Where's your sharpener? They in my blazer, says Peter. Where's your blazer? At home, miss, says Peter. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Listen and choose the right picture. Послушайте и выберите подходящую картинку. Dog, happy, ruler, singer. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Sing. My dog's Joe. He is singer in a band. His raps are the happiest songs in all the land. My dog's got a job. He is a singer in a band. His raps are the happiest songs in all the land. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 55, 55. Exercise number 1. Look, read and complete. Посмотрите, прочтите и заполните. The answer. This is Lee's grandpa. This is Lee's dad. This is Lee's mom. This is Lee's brother. This is Lee's sister. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look, read and choose A or B. Посмотрите, прочитайте и выберите A или B. 18, 8. 5, 15. 11, 19. 12, 20. 16, 13. 7, 17. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read and match. Прочтите и сопоставьте. It is, she is, we are, he is. Elvin, Franz, a vase, Elena. The answer. 1. D. 2. B. 3. A. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and fill in. Whose happy name is she? Прочтите и запомните, кто счастлив, имя она. What's your name? I'm John. The answer. Who's that? That's my dad. Are they happy? Yes, they are. How old is she? She is 17. Now I can talk and write about my family. Count from 1 to 20. Talk about jobs in English. Talk and write about my family. This is my family. Elvin is my grandpa. Elena is my grandma. Nancy is my mom. Peter is my brother. Mary is my sister. We're a happy family. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 56. 56. At the toy shop. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Toy shop. Present. Roller skates. Teddy bear. Bike. Car. Camera. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Ask and answer questions. Спрашивайте и отвечайте на вопросы. What are these? They're teddy bears. They're really nice. The answer. What are these? They're dolls. They're really nice. What are these? They're roller skates. They're really nice. What are these? They're cameras. They're really nice. What are these? They're balls. They're really nice. What are these? They're bikes. They're really nice. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 57. 57. Exercise number 3. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Bus, lorry, helicopter, big, small, 30, 32, 40, 46, 50. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Who's the winner, A or B? Read and say. Кто победитель, A или B? Прочти и скажи. 30, 32, 25, 46, 48, 24, 50, 40, 39. B is the winner. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Talk with your friend. Поговорите с вашим другом. Happy birthday, Sam. Here's your present. Wow, a car. Thank you. You're welcome. The answer. Happy birthday, Kira. Here's your present. Wow, a teddy bear. Thank you. You're welcome. Happy birthday, Nikita. Here's your present. Wow, a camera. Thank you. You're welcome. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once.